Halfway of the battle has been won. Now the other half is to be conquered. Going down. But it's an achievement nonetheless. We conquered the heat, cold, rain, moisture in our bed, this wind, this fog, everything, all the elements, but we came up on top. Let's go! We just got down from the 90 degrees slope. Sorry, 87. Oh my god. Diba, malaking drop. Sa dam, tama, sa dam. Sa dam ang sakyan namin. We are now entering the Boulder Face. Oh, love. You see the yellow tag? Ito na kami ulit sa forest section. Balik ng camp. Pero ang legs nila vlog. Ibigay na. Parang siyang walking dead. Habang patay na patay yung legs nila. Buhay na buhay naman yung forest. Teeming with life. Time check, 12:04. We are the only ones left going back to base camp. We have been hiking down for 11 hours. I mean, the whole hike has been 11 hours so far. Almost 11 hours. So we are waiting, or at least we are craving now for food in the camp, and we shall have food in the camp. Let's go. Ay, nakita mo, lab?
Iyak na ako.
Nakita na niya yung camp. She is so tired indeed. Go. Go around here. There it is. There it is. Our tent.
Ay, finally.
Go lang. After namin mag-lunch, nag-quick packing. And now we are going down to the Kapatagan. To the van. Hindi na kami mag third day dito kasi hindi na kaya ng mga equipment namin absorbing water and the legs. Let's go. Yung sila vlog. Makain ng cookies. Cookies. The rain did not stop for the past 2 days. We're still walking on mud. It's been almost 2 hours. We're still going down. Hi, Lab Lab. You can do it. Biglang kaming abutan ng dilim. It's gonna be hard. Let's go.
Last na. Ganda na suot mo. Para ka talagang
Jobert. Ay, Jobert.
Adventurer.
Bogart. Finally! It's the farmland! Ooh! The deepest one. The world record. Panalo ka na ulit.
No, yung kahoy sana yung atakan ko. Hindi ako umabot. Kayo ay mabuhay.
Our trees. My tree and Wella tree.
My tree.
Yes, let's go.
Kayo ay...
We're almost there. Aba, bumibilis na. Layo pa. Ang galing ah.